Good day, my wonderful viewers. Once again, you are welcome to Chris Feco Education. In our mathematics class today, we shall be looking at direct numbers. Now, the question we should ask ourselves is, what are direct numbers? I want us to know that direct numbers are numbers of positive and negative values. So when we have the case of plus and minus, and we have numbers that are having those states, we refer them as direct numbers. But in solving problems on direct numbers, we use the number line system. The number line system plays a major role when it comes to solving problems on direct numbers. Now, if you watch this number line that we have here, you will see that the forward arrow represents the positive movement, and the backward arrow represents the negative movement. So when you are moving forward, you are said to be going what? Positive. And when you are moving backward, you are said to be moving what? Negative. So now we shall see how we'll be able to use the number line system to solve problems on addition and subtraction of direct numbers. Now look at the example 1 that we have here. It says that the A is minus 7 plus 2 equals to, then the B minus 3 minus 2 equals to, and the C minus 4 plus 5 equals to. Now we have the example 2 also. In this example 2, we are expected to define the state of this number line such that it will be in this pattern of example 1. So in doing this, we are going to take them bit by bit. So let us look at the solution to example 1. So we'll say solution to example 1. So the example 1a is minus 7 plus 2 is equals to. So we use the number line system. Using the number line system, we have this as our, for the arrow of the negative, assuming we have from here as minus 4, we have here minus 5, we have here minus 6, we have here minus 7, we have here minus 8, we have here minus 9. So why do we put it like this? Because if we watch here, we will see that this minus 7 and 7 happens to be a number that is bigger than the positive one here, which is plus 2. So in this case now, our addition now have to start from what? Minus 7. And remember, because of 2 is a positive sign, we are expected to move what? Forward. So we come to minus 7. This is minus 7. We move what? Plus 1, and move what? Plus 2. So this is it. So this is plus 2. So plus 2 here will give us what? Minus 5. So we have it that minus 7 plus 2 will give us what? Minus 5, according to the number line. So we have the B. We have minus 3 minus 2 is equals to. Now if you watch here, you will see that 3 happens to be the highest negative value, then followed by what? The 2. So we produce our number line. We have it like this. Because of 3 is the highest negative value, so we have it like this. We can say from here to be minus 3, we have here minus 4, we have here minus 5, we have here minus 6, then we have here minus 7. Now because of 3 is the highest negative value, and when you are counting negative, this is minus 2, you move what? Backward. So we count minus 1, we count minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2, this is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 will give us what? Minus 5. So that is the case of using number line to solve subtractions of direct numbers. Then we have the C. In the case of the C, we have minus 4 plus 5 is equals to. If you watch here, you will see that the 5 happens to be the highest positive value, and the 5 is greater than what? Than the 4. So we produce our number line. We have it like this, in this manner. This is the arrow for positive value, which is forward. So we'll have here as let us say, assuming we have here as, let us say 1, we have here 2, we have here 3. This is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Then we have here as plus 6. So because of this is moving backward, and it says that plus 5 minus 4. So we'll come to 5. We have minus is what? Backward. We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So this is minus 4. So plus 5 minus 4 will give us plus 1. This is how we use number line system to solve problems on direct numbers. Now, how do we define the state of number line when it comes to direct numbers? Having this as example 2 solution, let us consider the A. The A, we have it in this manner. This is the A. We have it in this manner. It ranges from minus 12. Let us say here is minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17. So it ranges from minus 12 to minus 17, and the movement is from minus 15. We have here 15, then down to what? 13. So now if you watch this movement, you will see that this is a forward movement. If this is a forward movement and it moves from 15 here, it means that this is plus 1 and plus 2. So we have here as plus 2. So we say that i.e. minus 15 plus 2 will give us minus 13. So this is the state of this number line. Then we have the B. The B has its movement from 23 to 27. So we arrange it in the positive interval. So we have here as plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27. Then we have plus 28. So this is the arrangement. Then the arrow tends to move from 27 to 24. So we'll have 27 to 24. This is the state of the B. So now, how do we define the state of this B? Remember that when the arrow moves backward, it is what? It is negative. So we'll have here as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is minus 3. So the state becomes i.e. this is plus 24 minus 3, which gives us the state becomes, look at this, from 27 it moves, the state becomes minus 3. This minus 3 plus 27 is now equals to what? 24. So this is the state of this number line. So the state of this number line here is minus 3 plus 27, then is equals to what? 24. So that is why we have here as plus 24. So looking here now is your own activity. You can try this activity to see how far you can go in this problem of direct numbers. Thank you very much for tuning to this channel.